channel, guys and girls, and I want to say a massive thank you for everybody. We've hit 500 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. Thank everybody for coming around and watching my videos, and I hope you're enjoying the journey that we're all on together. And yeah, I just thought I'd stop and just say thank you very much to every single one of you. It means a lot to me, and I love all your comments, and I try to reply to everybody. Well, I do reply to everybody, and yeah, just thank you. Right, I wasn't going to do this on camera, but I'm waiting for some parts to come in, so I thought, well, while we're waiting, we'll carry on with this engine cover. Right, I've cut the middle out, as you can see, and I've made a new wooden template, which will go in there, like so, and it's got a slight curve to the curve of the roof. And now I'm going to make up one strip of fiberglass just to go over there, just to give me something to build off, and then we go from there. Up 3 layers of fiberglass, and I gotta say it's looking better than the first time we done it, so I'm quite chuffed for that. It's coming along nicely. Keep your eyes on that, people. Ain't that lovely? All brand new one, and it lifts up as well. Oh yeah, it's come out really nice. I like that. That needs trimming down in there. Rather than that, we done it. Thank God for that. We done it. I'm so chuffed with that. It looks a lot cleaner than the first time I done it. And then all I got to do then is just obviously put some little bit of filler on here and tidy him up a little bit more. But yeah, it took me about 4 hours to do that, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Well, it's on, and it lifts up as well, but it's not lining up with this one. The size that I can stick my finger in here, the size of that gap, and this side, so that's going to be extended. It's not even in line. I've tried to adjust it, nothing, so I gotta cut it or adjust this boot lid as well. So as you can imagine, it's we're getting slowly though. Considering I've never done bodywork before, I'm surprising myself. So I'm quite happy with the new top. Looks nice and clean, and the gap's nice as well, and it opens up lovely. So it's coming along nicely. As we know, got all that perfect. This is out. You can see how much is out, how bad it is compared to that one. That's easy fix, that one, but this side I got so much there to take up. This line is even out of whack, and if we measure it, right, that is just under 90, and then this side is 95, so it's like 7 mil out, which is low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up there and lower it down. It's the only thing I can think of. It's the only thing I can think of to fix it, because it looks terrible. And then I'm going to have to build out here with fiberglass, build the top out to get this edge going in the right direction, and sand it all back. I mean, it's a lot of unnecessary work, really. I mean, you would have thought that they come out the mould perfect, but they haven't. So there's a lot of body work just on these two panels, which I'm a bit disappointed about, to be honest with you. But it's going to improve our skills, especially our fiberglassing skills. So that's what I'm going to do next now. I'm just going to cut them up there, and fingers crossed I don't mess it up too bad. Okay, well we've given it a little cut there. So always use protection, guys. Just don't use it in bed. Yeah, so we can keep that there now, and we can fill that gap in, and then we'll be perfect right across the bottom. It's not much to fill really, something or nothing, but it's got to be right. So hopefully that'll be just enough to sort it out. Fingers crossed it don't look shit. Rigged up a contraption, the wood going from the ceiling, pinning it at the right thing. I got a G-clamp on there, and I put some tape around the back, same as that side, and I've got some fiberglass putty. So what I'm going to do is fill that all with it. Don't know how it's going to turn out, don't know if it's the right way to do it, but I'm going to give it a go because I got it, and why not? So I'm going to fill them holes with that. Fingers crossed, comes out brilliant. So just going to mix this up now. Okay, going to mix this up now. I haven't got a clue how I'm going to mix it up, so I'm just going to take a guess of it. Because I ain't got a bloody clue. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I reckon that should be enough, shouldn't it? Oh. Spooner, what are you doing? Making a mess, sir. Oh, come on. Be mindful when you buy this stuff, it is messy. Okay, and I suppose you do a blob. Something like that. And now I suppose we mix it up. Should I be using one of my screwdrivers? Probably not. Definitely not. That's not a good idea. Moment of truth a bit, I suppose. Just take that out. Look through there, and looks sort of okay. This next one. I think that's okay. Hasn't quite gone off yet, so we'll leave it a little bit longer, and then you take the wood and the clamp away and see what happens. So we just wait a couple more minutes. G-clamp off, and it seemed to be holding, so just trim that bit there off there, and now we should be able to shut the lid. Let's trim that off a minute. Slow this down. So still together at the moment. Take the big one down, see what happens. Ooh, that's a lot of strength on it. Don't hear any cracking. Guys, I think we've done it. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Now this, I got a steel bag on underneath there, so I'm going to fiberglass that to there. And then we can fix them out, get all that crap out of there, sand it down nice. That worked out quite well actually, I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, I surprise myself sometimes. Well, there we go, that proves it. If you don't give it a go, you'll never know. So there we are, proof is in the pudding, as they say. Yeah, so that's great. So we got a bit of fixing up and all to do, but I want to try and lay some fiberglass, build that gap up, sort this out next. That's going to be fun. So another step closer, guys. Great. You see all them different numbers on there? Well, what I've done, I've measured from there to the top of that plate. So that's 5mm, 4mm, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. And then we're going to do the same. We're going to drill a load of holes through it and then fiberglass that plate to that. So that'll be not tonight, that'll be probably tomorrow now, that will. So we'll catch you then. About cutting all the way down there and moving it over. I really am thinking about doing that. I don't know if I should or if I shouldn't. I'm gonna think about it and then see what we're gonna do. What's going to be the quickest and best way of getting that over there, because the bottom's gap's fine. I reckon we just pull it over. Nope, it looks good. I've cut it, so what I'm going to do is bring it over and fill that gap in, and it should then looks sort of right, and then we can fiberglass some more onto there. I gotta sort this hole out now. Not going back now, guys. So my plan is I'm gonna stuff some of this down the back, and then hopefully I'll be able to fiberglass it. That's the plan anyway. So hopefully I can shove this down the back of there somehow and get it in there like that. Okay, I've got that in there, so it's in there now underneath. So I'll make some resin up to get that all resined up nice. Give it extra strength, and then possibly use that like cat's ear putty stuff to go in there then to fill it out. I think that'll be the best way about it. We got it on there. It doesn't look pretty at the moment, but hopefully, I still need to put another layer of Bono or whatever. I got some really good stuff I've seen on the internet to go on there, but it's looking a lot better. So we just wait for that to dry now, and then when we take that off, we'll see how it looks. A quick sand, and it's not looking too bad. Really, it's all in line now, which is nice. All I got to do now is I've got some other stuff to build the edge up so I can put a nice curve on it like that side, and pleased with that. Not bad at all. Think of that. It's not bad, is it? I'm pretty chuffed for that. This bodywork stuff's not that hard. I don't know what they're all fucking complaining about. as long as you use the right stuff. Oh, that's pucker, that is. You would never have known I cut that. That is lovely. I still got a bit more shaving to do, a bit more tidying up. I did them a bit as well. Got the sander on them a bit, and all I'm using is this Black & Decker mouse with 80 grit on it, and it's coming out absolutely brilliant. So I'm well chuffed with that. Absolutely well chuffed. Okay, we've got it all ready to go. The holes are drilled. You see me drilling the holes. Just going to mix some resin up now, and then put that on top of there, and then wait for it all to go off. A couple of layers. Job done. It's fiberglassed on. We're just waiting for it to dry, and then we can fit it back up in and see what the fitment's like. There we have it. I'm at a point where I am pretty happy with that, and I can sleep a bit better at night, and I can carry on with some other stuff. So for now, that's done for me, and then we can crack on with something else now. So I tested my skills, but we've had a good old go, and it's come out pretty good.